Hello kids! Let's guess some of the beautiful and colorful birds. Let's get started. Guess this one that starts with O. It's an owl, O-W-L, owl, and these are night birds. Can you guess this one that starts with P and ends with T? Right, that's a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Guess this one that starts with D. That's a duck. They are really good swimmers. D-U-C-K, duck. Guess this one that starts with O and ends with C-H. That's correct, it's an ostrich. These are the fastest running birds on the earth. Can you guess this one that starts with P and ends with can? That's right, it's a pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Can you guess this pink bird that starts with F and ends with go? That's right, these are the flamingo. F-L-E-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. What about this? Yay, they are penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. What about this? Starting with T, ending with N? Toucan. These are the birds with large beak. T-O-U-C-A-N. What about these? These starts with P. That's correct. It's a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K with beautiful dances. This is the last one. Can you guess this one? Yay! That's a rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned for more such content. Bye.